Alright, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how I replaced the roller that was on the tensioner. So I just disconnected here at the straight connection up at the top, and I had to take out the middle. Notice that I marked it so I could line it back up because it's not straight and even. The bottom I didn't have to mess with, and that came out enough for me to manually bring down the door and pull it out. Alright, let's see how this looks. And the only other thing is I did see where someone put some shrink tubing around here, and that's actually a good idea, but I'm not going to do it. Well, that was pretty easy, so that's what I did. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.